Importance of controlling. Now, what are the different importance of controlling? It helps in achieving organizational goals. Organizational goals means the goals which are of the company. Now, if you want to achieve the goals of the organization, you have to follow the process of controlling. Now, goals. First of all, the first thing that you have to do over here is to set up goals. What is the goals? To produce 1000 iPhone. We are going to take the same example till the last so that we do not slip through. Okay. The second one is actual. What is the actual production? 700. Goal was 1000. Actual production is 700. So what is the difference? The difference is 300, which is less. That means the deviation or difference is negative. Now, corrective action. The company has to take corrective action. What is the corrective action that iPhone company has taken? That is good technology machinery. Okay, Apple company bought good technology machinery. So in this particular scenario, Apple company bought good technology and it was being able to increase its actual production from 700 to 1000, and hence the goal is achieved. And how were you being able to achieve the goal? You were being able to achieve the goal because of the entire process of setting up of goals, measuring actual difference, taking corrective action, and this entire process shall be called as what? Controlling. Second, judging accuracy of standards. Standards means what? Goals. Now you have set up a goal and that goal is to achieve 80%. Now whenever you talk about this goal, goals can be positive or negative. That means the difference between them can be positive or negative. What is positive? You got 90%. Goal was 80% and you got 90%. Hence 10% is positive. Goal was 80% and you got 70%, hence it is negative. So the standard can either be positive or negative, and you can judge the accuracy of your goal, that if your goal is 80% and you are being able to achieve 80%, then your goal is accurate. But if you are not being able to achieve 80% and if you are being able to achieve 70%, then your goal is negative. Right or wrong? If you are getting 90%, then your goal is positive. Hence there is no accuracy in these two cases, if you get 90% or 70%. But if your goal is 80% and if you get 80%, then it is accurate. If your goal is 80 and if you get 90, no accuracy. If your goal is 80 and you get 70%, no accuracy. Accuracy means if your goal is 80% and you get 80%, then it is called as accuracy of goals. Third one, efficient use of resources. Okay, now the goal is to produce 1000 iPhone. The company and its employees will use all the resources properly. Why? Resources means land, labor, capital, employees, machinery, technology, everything. So entire company will use all the resources. It will use land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship and everything properly so that they can achieve the goal of producing 1000 iPhones. So if you want to achieve the goal, your company and your employees, your manager, your workers have to use all the resources properly in order to achieve the goal. And how can we convey the message loud and clear that each and everyone has to use the resources properly? With the help of controlling. The next one is increase employees motivation. Now can you